Hey guys, it's Gary with great news. Real Estate Commission has finally gotten the process in that you can now use your alternate name. And what we're talking about here is if you're one of those agents that have a long legal name, such as Stephen or Christopher or William or Thomas, that you don't go by. Somebody named William might go by Bill, or somebody by Christopher might go by Chris. Margaret might go by Peggy. You've been prohibited under South Carolina law for marketing and advertising by any name other than your legal name. And I've represented a lot of you over at the Real Estate Commission before I was on the commission on this exact issue. Your name would be Christopher, but you were marketing by Chris. And so somebody filed a complaint saying you weren't marketing properly, and then you would have to go redo all your marketing. Well, we finally got a mechanism now for getting rid of that. It's for the people who have the long names that go by shortened versions of them. This will also work for people who go by names like Buddy or Sport, as that's how they're known in the community. It also will work for people who use their middle name or use initials like JT. So I'm going to show you the process really quick. You're going to go to the LLR website. All you have to do is go llr.sc.gov/RE. You also can just go on Google and type in Real Estate Commission. This page should look very familiar to you because this is where you renewed your license, or where you renew your license. What you're going to do is go to the quick link area right here. You're going to go to alternative name registration. You're going to sign in just like you signed in to renew your license. I've already done that. You'll type your alternate name, and then you're going to retype it and make sure it's confirmed. A couple things you need to understand. You can use shortened versions of your legal name. As I mentioned, Christopher can go by Chris. You can use your middle name. If you're Christopher Thomas, you can go by Tom. You can use names like Buddy if that's a name that you're normally called and it's a recognized type name. So all of these type things you can do. What you cannot do, as it clearly says here, you can't do things like top selling agent Pickren or John the real estate man Pickren or Big Daddy Pickren. You can't do those things. We're not going to allow. Okay. Now, keep in mind, you need to really think about whether you want to do this. I don't think it's much thought to it. If your name's Chris, you pretty much don't want to go by Christopher. It's a pretty easy change, but it's not going to be something that you can go in and change every single day because you go, hey, this week I want to be Christopher. Next week I want to be Chris. Next week I want to be Buddy. Next week I want to be CT. So figure out what you want to do, put it in here. But the great news is the silliness that we've been fighting over and fighting through for the last couple of weeks or for the last couple of months, really, and years, is actually finally done now. We don't have to sit here and go by your long legal name now. You can go by your middle name. You can go by your short version of your name. So congratulations, everybody. Go register it. You cannot do anything, however, until you register it. So don't just start changing your marketing. If you haven't registered your name, don't change it until you register it. Once you register it, you'll get a notification that's been approved. Then you can change and start going by a shortened version or a nickname. All right. Congratulations.